great. Today we're getting rid of the step for a straight non-step trim piece. This thing sticks up enough and just jams the hatch on the GFC. The tailgate step's nice, but I really don't need it. I don't use it that much, and I guess I'd much rather have the GFC hatch close easier. I'll do that, and that's probably it for this weekend, since I'm still working on the battery system, and I'm gonna have to edit all that, because I'm gonna try to do a little more in depth with it, I guess. I haven't filmed everything. I did not film making every single wire, because that's way too much. But mainly today I have to do all the grounds, and then I should be able to set it in, and hope to have it working today. Should just be these 4 bolts. There we go. Found someone on the forum that said how to fix this. There's an extra bar in here to take out. Once that's out, we're good. But while it's up in my face, I'm gonna replace the plastic. Yeah, I shouldn't need to do, yeah, I gotta take the tailgate off, but I'm gonna do this first. Leave this on. So this part's completed. So now I'm gonna take the tailgate off, get the torsion rod out, and this will be done, and then get back to my battery system. All right, so I pulled the torsion rod on the left side of the tailgate. 2 8mm bolts right here. Torsion it in there. That's only there to hold the extra weight of the step, because the actual shock is here and up inside here. So all I gotta do now is cut it off right at the end so that end piece can go back in here. And I'm done. Got it cut, goes in, and this piece can just rotate. All right, it's all done. Still goes down like it should. Nice clean tailgate cover. Nice dirty truck. Shuts better. Shuts really easy, actually. It is done, finally. Well, done enough to put in and make sure everything lines up correctly.